It's alright, guys.
Cool.
Let's back up.
Oops.
Look when
Wow.
you go backwards.
Look at that.
This is how
Do
you
we know
go.
which is which? Because
Like this.
The remote controls operate only one, which is nice.
Like this. Watch.
yeah.
Whoa.
I can't get a good picture of them because they're all over the place.
Whoa!
Molly, don't hit people with it, okay?
Yeah, I'm
That's
still
crazy.
I don't think he did that on purpose. It just kind of went that way.
I wouldn't crash them into each other either because you might break them.
Oh. Oops, I can't help it. They're way too fast.
They are pretty fast.
Oh my god.
Watch this.
Power.
Power.
I bet they go through the snow.
Whoa.
Well, I know.
Take it easy on the finish there, bud.
I would have never thought of anything. I mean, there's so much stuff out there to look at. How would you know that would be that much fun?
Oh, I knew it. I've seen them. I wanted to get them for him, but they were kind of expensive.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Are you getting video, Dad?
Yeah, I'm getting video of the whole thing.
I'll have to show it to Terry.
Okay, I'm gonna crash.
I think, you know what? You might break it, Mallie. That's what somebody said. If you run into each other, you might crack it.
Yeah, be careful. You don't want to break them. That would be sad.
Whoa, look at mine!
Back it up, buddy.
Wow.
This is the best present.
Isn't that
See?
cool?
That's why I liked it.
I see that.
This is kind of like a power vehicle.
Yeah. You've got it down now.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
You don't want to smack them into each other,
If
okay?
you do
You
that,
break
you
them.
may crack them up.
Then you won't have fun with them, right?
They're so powerful. They're not fun to.
This is hard. They can
You'll
go
get used
through
to
the
it.
grass.
Go forward, don't go backwards.
This
So-
is hard.
This is proof that our Lord owns 1,000 cattle on the hill and more, right?
Ah!
I don't know if they're getting it.
That's okay.
They'll get it.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that go! Oh no, it got stuck!
What's
And
this?
you know what? I'm not worried about people getting offended. I'd rather the truth be told and people get offended than them never know and go to hell. Right?
That was hard.
Sorry,
one.
I just have to turn this into something about Jesus.
I'm gonna run in the kitchen.
Because
No.
all this stuff will make you sick.
Oh.
Seriously. I mean, literally.